This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, guys, we'll have this one Ubuntu operating system.
There was a pop-up is there. Can you close this one meeting pop-up? Okay, okay. Um,
So are you going to teach today DevOps? Docker, I meant.
Okay, today we'll start with the Docker. Okay, it's an open source. Docker is an open source platform for developing, shipping, and running the distributed applications whether on laptops or DMs or cloud. Okay, that means open source software, that is a Docker. We can use we can ship our image. Okay, the size of this image will be very less. Okay, the only prerequisite is yeah. Okay, the Docker should be up and running.
Sorry, your voice got broken in
Why
between.
we are using this Docker? Okay, what's the advantage of having this Docker? It's a Docker is a containerization tool. Containerization tool we are using. Okay, the what's the container means? Okay, right, container means how can I say, important. Okay guys, my machine is now running. Let me install that one. Okay, then we'll go for the theory part. For installation purpose, we needs to go to the one URL. Okay, so go to URL get docker.com. This is the installation, guys. Okay, you will find a, this is the one website. Here you will find one script you will get. Okay, yeah, this one. Just copy this one, and once you execute, you will get a one script here. Okay, before that, if you want, you can check it out. As of now, there is a 0 files. So let me execute this script. Okay, this get get docker.sh you will find. So let's just simply run this one. Okay, it will install. Okay, now we'll go for our theory part. Okay, so this assume this is a container. Okay, so what curl command
Uh,
does, Amit? Amit, like in Red Hat, we used to get wget, right? In the same way, in the UB, what do you call, in Ubuntu, we are using curl.
I actually, can you go to the previous screen, AWS installation screen? We are not able to see your command while installing.
Okay, here, so assume that you are what do you call, assume yeah, okay, you are vacating your home. So what I will do, you will book a one container, okay, or else a lorry or whatever. Okay, so you will put all your things, that is a vessels, TV, fridge, washer, mixer, grinder, and
Hello, are you able to?
No, we are not. I'm not able to hear.
Yeah, I'm also not able to hear.
I don't know. Yaar.
I
I
think
don't
he's
know. Today, I think he is not able to hear our voice also.
yeah. We'll ping in chat maybe.
Nowhere. If we are not able to add to what is the meaning of we are staying?
In your left and right.
okay, yes, it was lost. Okay, connection was lost. Now it is okay, it seems.
Are you able to hear us?
Yeah, some problem is there with the network. I'm fed up with this Vodafone.
Uh,
When
Sorry,
can you go to the previous screen? While we are not able to see your screen
I mean, put a
when you
message
are
in the
installing
comment box here. I'm not able to
screen.
hear.
Literally, it is not able to getting you. It is important topic, right?
Guys, can you able to hear me?
Yeah,
I'm not able to hear.
right now it is fine. Are you able to hear us? Hello?